Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Yesterday I posted one video on Mount Blue recruitment drive. Okay, so in detail I will tell you how to get a job offer letter from Mount Blue company, which is MNC company. Okay, so Mount Blue is hiring for software engineer trainee position. Okay, and this is entry level position, that means freshers can apply for this position. Location is Bangalore, India. You will get the salary, that is the CTC is 4 lakh per annum. Okay, so this is a overview that what they are requiring, or what is the training period. You can just go through it, all this overview. Okay, then what will be your responsibilities? Okay, work in a team to develop, compile, test, debug and deploy software. Those candidates who are belongs to computer science, in computer engineering, information technology, those candidates might know about this. Okay, so and there are other candidates which are belongs to from mechanical, electrical, electronics. Okay, so those candidates can also apply for this position if they are interested in programming. Okay, so there is no restriction of any batch. If you belongs to for example 2018 batch, 2019 batch, then you can still apply. So there is no any batch restrictions, there is no any branch or stream restrictions. If you belongs to mechanical background or instrumentation or electrical or electronics background, then still you can apply. Okay, so these will be the responsibilities. Qualification required as this, you can read this. Okay, so benefits you can also go through it. Okay, so this is the link, apply with Google. You will get the same link here also. Okay, you just click here, click on that apply on Google, then it will be redirect to the sign in Google accounts. Select your Google account. I will select this one. Okay, so there is no need to upload your resume here. Once you select your Gmail account, now you will redirect, you will get this screen here. Your name, your name will be displayed here. Then apply to software engineer trainee position. Okay, so enter your full name here. Okay, enter your full name here and enter your mobile number. Give space after +91. Okay, give space after +91 while entering phone number, and then click on apply. Resume not needed. Okay, as they have already mentioned, we don't need your resume as we assess applicants through coding test regardless of prior background. Okay, so if you have any query, then you can also write the query in this mail. Okay, then click on apply. Now your details are going to save. Don't skip this video because this video is very much important. Yesterday I applied from the another mail ID. Okay, so I got this mail from Mount Blue Technologies. You can check here, Mount Blue Technologies software engineer trainee position. Once you fill the details here, then you will get this mail. Okay, so now you can check the selection process which is mentioned in your mail. Okay, so level 1 is coding test, level 2 is live coding interview. Occasionally we need more information about your skills. Okay, so we may ask you to appear for a live interview, again remotely. Okay, and the third is HR assessment. Okay, so now what is the actual process? Okay, Now what they have mentioned, what they have given in the mail: we run an online learning platform called Mount Blue Prep. Okay, so formerly Propel School. Okay, so where you can improve your programming and problem solving skills. Okay, as I earlier suggested that those candidates who belong mm, who does not belong to computer and IT background, then also you can apply for this position, because you will get a chance to learn first, and then you need to gain 2600 points on HackerRank site. Okay, so what you need to do: sign up at this link. You will get this link in your mail. Okay, so I'll just open that link. Okay, then the screen, it is loading. Okay, so click on that link and go down. Okay, Montbleu Prep, formerly Propel School. Okay, so now you will get the featured courses. Okay, introduction to programming and problem solving. Okay, so complete this path and get a job offer from Montbleu. See, the recruitment team has already mentioned that complete this path and get a job offer from Montbleu. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to click on the view course button here. Okay, now a new window will open. Now this is the featured course of introduction to programming and problem solving skills. Okay, so level 1 is problem solving. Okay, level 1 is problem solving. What they have mentioned: welcome to Mount Blue Prep, welcome to this. Okay, so how to make the most of Mount Blue Prep, which is pending, showing currently pending, and join the Mount Blue Prep community at Discord. Okay, so now again go back to your mail. Okay, now you can see below, again you will get the another link: also join the Discord community server. Okay, you just open that link. Okay, till it is opening, we will check the other part in the mail. At Mount Blue Prep, we provide step-by-step programming exercises, guidance from experienced software engineers and mentors, content on important programming and problem solving strategies. Participating in the program not only helps you to prepare for Mount Blue but also for other tech companies. Okay, so for more information, see this document. Okay, so I will provide the link in the description box below. Okay, so this is opened. Okay, I'll just accept invite. Click on that accept invite. Okay, so it is opening till we will check the another. Okay, now if you are new to programming, this is optional. It is only for those who are completely new to programming. Okay, so what you need to do: getting started. Okay, you need to complete these steps. Okay, if you are absolutely new to programming, we recommend you to starting with this link is provided. It is a coding app for beginners by Google. Okay, once you complete this, then only you can do this mark as complete. Don't do directly this, you just first complete this task and then mark as complete. Okay, so I'll just go back. I'll just close this. Now you can see here the level 1 problem solving, which consists the multiple task. Okay, now you can check here: milestone target, grab the job offer, complete the challenge and get the job offer from Montbleu. Okay, here Montbleu challenge is there. I'll just open it. Okay, you can check here: complete 2600 points under problem solving on HackerRank, submit your HackerRank profile link, short interview with mentor, that is HR round, and get a job offer from Montbleu. Okay, so to get this job offer letter from Montbleu, you need to complete this task first. Okay, Okay, so you need to complete this first. Okay, how to make the most MountBlue prep. Okay, this is pending. Okay, once you complete the first task, it will mark as success. Okay, or completed. Then you need to complete the second task. Then once you complete it, it will mark as success or completed. Okay, now again you need to complete this. Getting started, the best resource to learn. You just need to learn and complete the task which is given in the challenge at last. Okay, so you will get directly job offer letter from the MountBlue. Okay, you need to check here problem solving strategies. You need to solve the problem manually, be the computer. Okay, so you need to just complete these program statements, just learn all these things. Okay, here you can check this is you need to learn, and exercise is given for this. Then this is given, you need to learn this for first 4 parts, and then exercise is given. Okay, so food for thought. Okay, so you need to complete this. Once you complete, definitely you will get a job offer letter from MountBlue directly. Okay, so we will check the report section as well. Okay, so report. Once you complete all those, then it will show how much you have completed. Currently I haven't completed anything yet, so it is showing 0. Once you complete the, suppose the first task, okay, suppose if you complete the first, then second, then it will show 2 out of 35 in the report. Okay, here. So you need to complete all these things. Okay, for the Discord link they have given in the mail, what you need to do, you just go the HackerRank challenge. Okay, so you will get the other candidates or other professional employees post their points, topics, programs. Okay, so you need to, this is for the study purpose only. Okay, so just complete this task and grab your offer letter. Don't miss this chance. This is a very good opportunity for all of you. Okay, and I really don't want to miss this chance, me as well. Okay, so let us complete this challenge, and ping me if you complete this challenge and when you get the job offer letter. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. I wish you all the best.